Click the link, hit apply now. Enter your mobile number. Validate 6-digit mobile code and click continue. Read guideline and scan your ID card. When you scan your ID card, these details are auto-filled. Read guidelines and process for selfie. Liveliness assessment. Capture your selfie liveliness assessment. Select nature of account and type of account. Select account and currency, tap continue. Fill account details and tap continue. Fill accurate account details and tap continue. Complete the pertinent and accurate information. Attach the necessary documents and proceed by tapping the continue button. Select the correct options for CRS and FATCA declarations. Then proceed by clicking the continue button. Make sure to select country and select declaration and tap continue. Review your submitted application for a preview. Check all details and tap submit button. Choose your suitable time for further video call verification.